Hello and welcome students to the Network Bug Bounty External Attack. In this section, we are going to take a look at various points. First of all, we will learn about what is wireless attack. Then I will provide you information about which wireless adapter you should purchase and use. We will also set up a wireless attack, and then I will show you that how you can perform penetration testing inside wireless networks using Kali Linux tools. Bug Bounty in networks as external attacker. In this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. I will provide you information about what is wireless attack and what are the components available inside it. So let's start with the overview of wireless attack, that what is wireless attack and how bug bounty hunters process it. So you can see here that in the first point it is written that wireless attack is a harmful action. Basically wireless, we also call it Wi-Fi's. Right? So by using wireless network, basically all the systems are connected with each other, right? With the wireless attack is a harmful action. Obviously it is a harmful action because if you are trying to attack on a wireless network of an organization, it means you are trying to attack on all the systems available inside it, right? So that is called wireless attack. It can be done using various tools in Kali Linux. Obviously, you can perform wireless attack using various kind of tools available in Kali Linux, and you also need a wireless adapter. So external wireless adapter is really necessary if you want to perform a wireless attack as soon as possible. So that's why can be done using various tools. Using wireless attack, attacker can become an internal user of organization. That is absolutely correct because the attacker was outside, right? And now when he tries to attack on wireless, what happens? Basically, attacker is now inside your network. Alright, so this is basically more harmful for a network because attacker was outside your network. That was good condition, but after the penetration of wireless inside the organization, now attacker is a part of your organization. It means he's now inside your network, and when attacker is inside your network, he can perform various kind of attacks inside your network because it is hard to perform attack from the outside of network, but it is easy to perform attack when you are inside your network. So by using wireless attack, the goal of attacker is to get inside the network so that he can perform more and more attack after that, right? So this is the kind of scenario, right? You can see here that this is the attacker, and attacker is outside the network. This is the internal network. Alright, and these are the basically systems, clients and servers inside it, and this is a kind of, you can say, wireless, right? The attacker tries to attack on this wireless, alright, so that he can be a part of that organization, he can be a part of that network, and after the wireless attack, then he can attack on these systems too. So that is a kind of pre-attack phase. When you have not attacked yet, you are just planning to attack on the Wi-Fi or wireless, and you are outside the network in the pre-phase attack. What happens after the attack? So this is post-phase attack, and now you can see that attacker is now inside the network, right? This is a complete network and attacker is inside it. Got it? So now the Wi-Fi attack is successful. So now he's inside the network. Now he can attack on various kind of systems inside it. He can attack on server easily, and one more, he can also scan the entire server, because from outside, if he is not able to get the IP address, from inside he can scan the network, get the IP address of server, and then he will use any network vulnerability scanner to scan the server. He will check the vulnerability or loopholes, and then he will perform penetration using proper exploits. So it is hard to attack from outside, but it is easy to attack from inside. That's why wireless attacks are more harmful than any other attack. So now what attacker can perform after wireless attacks? So wireless attack is successful. Now what attacker can do now? After wireless attack, attacker is inside your organization. Absolutely correct. We have already seen that attacker is now inside your organization. Inside the network, attacker is behaving like internal user, because you can see here that these all are the users available. But similarly, these users, attacker is also a user inside your network. Attacker can easily attack on entire network. It is saying that attacker can easily attack on entire network using flooding. Flooding is also called denial of service or DOS attack. Password cracking. It can also crack the passwords available inside. For example, he can attack on file transfer protocol, FTP or SSH or any other protocol which is using password. He can also attack on those protocols when he's inside the net. And as I already told you that he can also scan the server which is inside your network, and after gathering the vulnerability information. With proper exploits, he can also exploit that particular server inside your organization. So these are the harmful effects the attacker can provide to the particular organization. So the plan was quite simple. First of all, attack on wireless of that organization using Kali Linux tools, got it, and perform penetration. When you are penetrated inside their network, then the work of attacker is quite simple. First of all, he will scan the entire network. He will get the IP addresses of the server. He will use the network scanners to find out the loopholes available inside each and every machine of the network, right? And then one by one, he will attack on each and every system available inside the particular network. And he can also create them a bot, and by using those bots, it can further attack on next network and so on. So this is a kind of chain system which you can use inside your network, and your network can be just a part of the chain. So this is the harmful effects of wireless attack from external user. So this is all about how attacker can perform wireless attack inside your organization, and how we can penetrate and how we can affect on other systems, your clients and servers inside it.